Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use a pro angled shading brush to apply shadow to the brow bone of your eye to create a nice highlight and an overall polished look in just a very few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking a shadow that is maybe 2 to 3 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. You want to get a little bit of product on there, and then you just want to place this right under your brow bone to give a nice lifted appearance. It's also going to help clean up any lines or any shadow that may have gone too far up and to create an overall polished look. This brush is great for this particular technique because it has that angled point that kind of caters right into your natural curves of your brows, so you can really make sure that you get as close as possible to your brow. So same thing on the other eye. Just doing patting motions. It only takes a little bit of product as well because you just want this to kind of look like a natural highlight. While doing this, you'll also be kind of blending out that crease transition area to your brow bone highlight, so it's going to create a very nice soft diffused finish as well and make everything just look very balanced and very even. And here's the final look using the Pro Angled Shading Brush to achieve that beautiful brow bone highlight that is going to polish your look, kind of pull everything in together in just a very few easy, simple steps.